Hello, it's me, Ukulele Sean, and in today's video we're going to be learning how to play My Girl by The Temptations. Now this song only uses 4 chords, and they are the chord of a C major. To play the C major, place fingers number 3 on frets number 3 of strings 1. Strings 1 is the string which is closest to the ground, and frets number 3 is the third box along, and then just strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is our C major chord. The next chord is the D minor chord. To play the D minor, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 4. Strings 4 is the string which is closest to our face. Place fingers number 3 on frets number 2 of strings 3. Then place fingers number 1 on frets number 1 of strings 2. Then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is the D minor chord. The next chord is the G major chord. To play the G major, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 1. Place fingers number 3 on frets number 3 of strings 2, then place fingers number 1 on frets number 2 of strings 3, then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is our G major chord, and last but by no means least, the chord of an F major. To play the F major, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 4, then place fingers number 1 on frets number 1 of strings 2, then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And that there is the F major. Now today's strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up, which sounds like this. Now, if you do feel like you're going to struggle with that, then there's absolutely nothing wrong with strumming down once per chord change. And to know when to change chord, my buddy Jerry the Shark will land on the correct chord at the correct time to play. So should we have a go at playing My Girl? Now, do feel free to sing along. You're going to do a much better job than I am. I'm not a singer. I am a ukulele player. But as I always say, I always feel like it kind of makes sense to have some kind of lyrics, even if they're as bad as mine. So let's give this a go. 1, 2, 3. I got sunshine on a cloudy day, when it's cold outside and I've got the month of May. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Talking about my girl, my girl. I've got so much honey, the bees envy me. I've got a sweeter song than the birds in the trees. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Talking about my girl, my girl. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I've got all the riches any man could claim. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Talking about my girl, my girl. So there we are, that's how to play My Girl on the ukulele. Unfortunately, that is all we've got time for today. Please show your support by subscribing to this channel and giving the video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to support the channel even further, I am on Patreon, which is patreon.com/ukuleleshawn, where you'll receive a full library of colourful, easy to follow PDF song sheets with the chords, lyrics, and of course the strumming patterns for every single song I upload here on YouTube. So until next time, goodbye.